show you how to use the beard butter and the clay pomade. So right now I'm going to do the clay pomade. So this stuff right here is very thick, so you're going to have to go around in circles to warm it up and almost pretty much melt it. So I like to go around the edges to break it up. So see, it starts to melt a little bit with the friction. And I want just enough to get between a couple of fingers here. So just like this. Keep going around a little bit more. Scoop around the edge, and there we go. So I'm going to try to rock a mohawk today. So just, you saw that, just a tiny little bit.
You have it like on your hand. There you go.
Just that tiny little bit I got on my fingers did my whole do. So literally only just a little fingertip of the clay pomade, and that's all you need. So now I'm going to do the beard butter. So the same thing with this is I'm just going to go around. This one's a little bit easier because it's really soft and creamy. So I'm going to go through again. You only need about that much. Go back in the mirror. So I like to go in the beard, the bottom. Rub it all the way around. And then you finish it off with something like this. Simple as that. So you can get these products at theweekendgentleman.com, or you can, in locally Dubuque, can get them at Sups. So thank you.